Bouta Cúig de Dev-Outags bhí na fórna spear an nach dúid hain san AFLW. Bhí an Tom Chahab an Airóflis na Héirna go bhórna spreige le háit meas go nair na spear bantamach. Seo túris go bh darmach donacha Bouta Cúig den AFLW fe cahar.
Bhí máisteirt den Kangaroos arís agus bua mór mílteacha Carlton a Bork Icon Melbourne.
Kick 2 in week 1 against the Lions. North have 4.
Bhí anhainsigh Vicky Wall agus Niamh Martin leis an mua go háirithe a géad cheathrú.
8-9 in her AFLW career. 2-2 this season on her return from some time in the Irish Rugby Sevens program.
Bhí rihan ráis na Kangaroos. Rúisi do deire seapaní pointe le de. Bhí an actions a géad chuig nóméid gon glyfa idir na Lions agus na Crows.
So Dwyer will sit. Kelly will try and impede. He's being held. Advantage should be paid. No, it was touched.
Bhí Orla Dwyer feicáilach lóga más a glyfa. Fuair sin 10 chúl gon na Lions sa géad cheathrú.
O'Dwyer starts the scoring for the Lions.
Díreach 60 second treiste an dar a cúl a chéasúr áil. Búlú go láidir agus tháinig siad an Bork le gólan as alf.
Or O'Dwyer, so to look forward from the incident, Kate, they've got Carlton next Saturday. They come out of their compressed fixture now effectively and are playing week-to-week footy, but we might not see her till finals.
Chríide glyfa fad ach le kick an-chrain ag Smith le díreach céad second fáca bhí bua drámatúil ag na Lions 3-3 na Adelaide Crows. Bhí ceathrú bua a chéasúr ag Hawthorn le bua 8.1 na Geelong Cats is stáid GMHBA idir daon. Bhí Anya McDonough an tríú scóralaí an lá.
Here's a chance. Look at that little sidestep was perfect from Kenny.
Bhí na Cats umíoch agus bhí bainte Kate Kenny leis an umíocht sin. Dahar clár na scór a bhór an Hawthorn sa tríú ceathrú agus léire na chalínig éireannacha cecha másatá siad.
Oh, look at that thumping kick. It's gone so long and strong, and she repays McDonough. Her countrywoman. Just a runway to lead up into. McDonough and Gilroy turning it on for the Hawks. Bring out the Irish jig, ladies. It's brilliant to watch. Stevenson caught by Featherstone. Now they can go. Crockett Grills wedges an up and under. Maloney. Too strong, too big for Kent. Got an Irish woman dominating at one end and an Irish woman dominating at the other. They're back in at the Cats. It's into something. Comes back to Maloney, fires it off, and then an unbelievable goal kick by Maloney. Can you believe it? Is there anything this woman can't do?
She finished beautifully over the shoulder. That is a 40-metre kick for goal, Caloff. Off the boundary, off one step, just fantastic work.
Harry, looking for a runner. Kenny, here we go again. Maloney, she's going to run in and give them some hope. She's got 3.
Tháinig Maloney rash agus Camden cúil is fearr gon chéasú seo scóil de eice. Ach níor lóra ar bua ag Hawthorn. Hawthorn seapaní Geelong Cats 61. Tá an 3 orn céine nuachtar tabla rís an teachtain seo, ach anis siad na Kangaroos atá ar bór. Tá na Lions a fannach sa daraháit. Tá Hawthorn a drapa, tá siad anis sa gathróháit. Tá go leor le déine ag na Geelong Cats ag Melbourne, má tá siad a géire god suas a tabla.